Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to find your Binance wallet address, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to click on wallets, where you can see overview sections on the screen, and just down below you can see deposit crypto option where you need to click there. Now let's search for a coin. Let's say I want to buy USDT, so let's type USDT in search bar. Now click on that coin. Now in here you can see lots of networks, but I only want to highlight two of them, which is ERC20 and TRC20. And to avoid charges, I recommend you to use ERC20, so click on that network. Now finally you can see the name of the network, which is ERC20 is on the screen. And just down below you can see your wallet address. You can copy it or save it. So basically this is how you can find your wallet address in Binance, and if you still encounter any issue during the finding process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with all latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.